Today I'm going to show you how to import a Canva website template and then publish it from your Canva account. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have the link for your Canva website template. You're going to paste it into your browser, press enter. It's going to bring up a template that has been shared with you and you can start designing now. What you want to do is click use template. It's going to open it in your account. It's going to open it in your account where you will be able to then make changes. It will also show the title as copy of whatever the file name is. In this case, this is a copy of the Wicked Marvelous opt-in template. From here, you'll be able to make changes, add anything that you want, take anything out. As this is a template I have created, it actually has instructions on what to put in all of these places and things to remember. And once you've made all of the changes you want, you'll be able to then click Publish Website. Now this is important because these are the steps that you need in order to make sure that everything is set up the way you want it to. So I'm going to resize. I want to make sure this resizes on mobile. You'll be able to preview it. And it will show you what it looks like on a tablet and also what it looks like on a phone. And you want to make sure you do that because this is designed originally on desktop. As this is an opt-in page, I choose to publish it without navigation, but if you're making a page that has multiple sections that you want to be able to jump around with navigation to, you can publish it with navigation. I'm going to choose to publish this with a free domain because I don't have a domain set up for Canva, but there are also instructions on how to use a free domain, use a domain you already own, or purchase a domain through Canva. So I'm going to use a free domain and click continue, and I'm going to create a subdomain for this because that's the format for this. So I'm going to do LL opt-in, and then I'm going to click continue, and then here I'll be able to do things like update my browser preview so I can add a website description, I can enable password protection, I can hide it from search engines. If I wanted to do that, I'm going to skip this and click publish in order to have it published, and then from there, once it's published, people will be able to view it as a web page versus as a shared document. And that's how you import a website template for Canva into your account and publish it.